viewers and my subscribers, do you remember Val Plantation? Hmm? Do you remember Val Plantation? Alright? Stick and stay. I'm going right now to Val Plantation to see all those yam, pumpkin, and corn. You know, everything that we planted the last time. I'm going to show you guys what's going on, alright? Stick and stay.
Jamaican farmers. Hot.
Jamaican farmers. Hey.
Ready, we ready, and we gone. We are plant pumpkin and we are plant some corn. Yes, my people, welcome back to my channel. And please remember to like, share, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out.
Whoa, my viewers, I'm passing a plantation here. This is bush cabbage. Notice how it grow? Yeah, bush cabbage. Yeah, bush cabbage. Yeah, man, this is bush cabbage. Look what's going on. Notice how it grow. Yeah, my viewers, bush cabbage, all right? And as you can see, it is all over. Yeah, man, bush cabbage. When you go bush, this is a cabbage. Nice to cook, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, all over in the plantation. Don't know who for ground, but trust me. Yeah, man, bush cabbage look nice and lovely. Heading towards Val Plantation now. Stick around. Yes, my viewers. Heading to Val Plantation. The last time I was coming from this end. Yeah. Heading to Val Plantation. See what's going on this plantation right now. Yam is about to running up. Run and stick now. As you can see. Yam. Yeah. Up and stick. Alright. Yeah. Going to see how the corn doing. Don't know. Oh, this tree here full of bees. Yeah, my viewers, watch this tree here. A lot of blossom. Full of bees. Alright. Yeah. Yeah, man. Val Plantation. Yam them started to run and stick. Yeah. Yes, Val. The yam them start to run up and stick. Want to see how the corn is doing. You know what I mean? Yeah. Like the corn them not come to perfection, but I plant some corn. Some of the same corn in my home, at my home, and them nice. Yam up. Yeah, yam. Yeah, man, as you can see, the yam them nice here, but the corn is not so well. Seems like the soil is not. Look here. Yeah. Yeah, the corn is not so well. Corn is not doing well with this soil here. As you can see, the corn is not here. It is the same corn that I plant at home. Alright, this is the sorrel. This is the sorrel I planted the last time. And I plant chocho. Sorrel and chocho up here, and red peas. Red peas. Red peas is started to put out. Yeah? He started to get red peas here. This is one of the chocho. Alright. I plant some pumpkin now. Plant some pumpkin. The okra. These are the okra. These are the okras. Yeah, man. The okra. Alright. I plant some pumpkin up here. Yes, my viewers. Do you remember these pumpkin here that I plant? In Val Plantation. Yeah? Do you remember when I told him that right here is very good for planting? Because the fire was burned here. This is very good for the pumpkin. Notice the pumpkin started to run. Alright? Yes, my viewers. Yes, my viewers. Alright, my viewers. See there? Yam them start to shoot out, but the corn them don't come up that good. But at home, I plant some of the same corn after, and they're very big. They are so huge. Alright? So yes, my viewers. Let's go through here and see what's going on. Yeah, we're still in Val Plantation. Yeah. Most of the yam run and stick here. Yeah. 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 Most of the yam is out. Growing up and stick. Alright. Yeah. And as you can see, he's keep on cleaning up. Alright. Alright now, my viewers, look on this corn now. This corn is much better than everyone else. Yeah, the soil is not good for corn. Yeah, because I did plant out all of here with corn. Yeah. Do you remember when I was here planting out this section here? Yeah, all of here plant out with corn. This soil is not good for corn. Gosh, I plant some of the same corn at home. Yeah, this is the St. Vincent yam. Notice the color. Yeah, St. Vincent yam. Yeah, yellow yam. Yeah, my viewers, can't go to the next plantation now. Going back to this side. But the soil and the corn don't agree here. Alright, as you can see, the soil and the corn don't agree here. Yeah. Don't know because of the clustering. You know, but the soil and the corn don't agree in this location here. But yeah, my viewers. Val Plantation. Alright. Alright, going back down the hill. Going back down the hill, but trust me, cane sweet. Yeah. 1 and 2 yam start to burst out. Yeah, my viewers, Val is not here today. You know, he's on a little hustling today, so I'm just passing through. Yeah, making a check. And as you can see, my viewers, not all of the yam the last time did stick out. And as you can see, all of them have stick now. Yeah. Seems like he go and cut some yam stick and stick out everyone. Alright. Because the yam have to run up on the stick. If the yam don't run on the stick, it's not going to bear. Alright. So here's my viewers. That was Val Plantation. Alright. So stick and stay. Don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe to the channel. Alright? But trust me, I'm going to put up one video here. This video here. So you can watch this video, alright? Just watch this video here. Cool? Manners. My name is Ever Slick, and I'm out. I'm lapsing up today. Seeing. This is where you call Apple Town. Alright? Pure Jamaican apple tree. Yeah? Pure Jamaican apple plant is here, as you can see. Yeah, man. Jamaican apple town. Alright? Yeah, man. Jamaican apple tree town. Seen? Yeah. Coming from a place then called Big Bottom. Go back in a Campbell's now. Seen? Stick and stay. Yeah, my viewers, are them place I me love. Seeing, as you can hear, the wind blowing through the leaves. Yeah, birds singing, all type of bird making noise. This is my thing. This is my thing. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. Natural is the mystic. The mystic is natural. If you want to go vital, you have to go vital. Say you hear it on Jamaican farmers out here. Yeah, man, because we always teach, you know. Seeing. Yeah, man. Ever slick. I reach a tree rock which on my motorcycle. Yeah. Me ready. Yeah, man. Go back into our next rock. Show no what I go on. So I saw it go when we going at the hills and valley. You know. This is a fig tree. Notice the root. Yeah, man, this is a fig tree. Fig tree. Yeah. So see it here. And at the hills and valley me there. I'm buck up on a rock, I'm going to show them my viewers. Look what they go on. If rain fall, you can shelter on a year. No? Yeah. And if you hide out, you can hide out here. Yeah, man. Rocks. Yeah, man. Alright. Yeah. Yeah, man. Need to do some hiking all about in this bush here. Yeah, my viewers. See the fig tree there? The fig tree that. Alright. Stay tuned. Alright, my viewers, as you can see, me used to plant here, so you know. Yeah, me used to plant here, so as you can see, banana and cane plant now or something. But here what go on now when me the pass, you know, I just pass, you know. I have to break a cane. Me plant them cane. Yeah? Yeah, man. Me. Yeah, man. You hear that, my viewers? You hear it bust? Yeah, man. Me plant them cane, man. Notice. Me plant them cane. Yes, sir. Me plant them banana here, you know, my viewers. Me plant them banana here. Oh. Me plant them banana here, but them want weed out. I can't take them grass here. Them grass are wicked for me. Oh. Me are going good. I have 3 banana shoot here, so one time. So you got my viewers. Me did a farm, so, but we can't take them grass here, them better than me, you know? Yes, sir. Alright, now my viewers. This me mean when I say plant something. See that? Yeah. Almost broke out, you know. Yeah? Plant something, man. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Plant something higher. Look at that one up here. Plant something higher. Planting. Planting. Yeah? Plant something higher. Watch it. Much bunch is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See that, my viewers? Plant something. Yes, I plant something higher. Yeah, man, inside the heart of Campbell's, you know, as you can see, plantation is everywhere. Yeah, it's all about a farming community. Yeah, man, yam, banana, plantain, you name it. Yeah, yes, I. Jamaican farmers hut. Come here, Jamaican farmers hut. Don't forget to like, share. My cane is dropping off. My cane is dropping off my bike here. Yeah. Alright. Yes, my viewers, it's a planting area, you know, it's a farming area. Right here in Campbell's. As you can see, yam banks. Alright. Yeah? Yes, I. Yes, I. Nice road, you know? Yeah? Easy. Right on something there. Whoa. I have to have my brake working right now. Yeah. Alright, my viewers. Going to give, you know, a short cut off now because the hill is getting very steep. Yeah, it is getting very steep, but as you can see, plantation is everywhere. Yeah, plantation, it is a farming area. You can see people all about in them plantation working, you know. Yeah, yeah, it's a planting area. Yeah. Alright, my viewers, stick around to see what's coming next, alright? Alright, my viewers. That guy's working. Yeah, man. Jamaican Farmers Hut. Don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe to the channel, alright? See you.